Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to see your completed tasks in Todoist. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the tasks that you have scheduled for today. So as you can see here, I have a task or two that I have to do today, and if you look at the left side of the screen, you can see multiple options that you have for viewing your tasks, such as your inbox or your upcoming tasks in the next couple of days, or you can see your filters and labels and then find your tasks and so on. Here you can even see your projects, where you can go ahead and more easily organize your tasks into projects that are similar to the project name. So here are all my education projects, here are all my work projects and so on, and my tasks inside them. So let's go back, guys, to the main page. I'm going to go to my inbox right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish a task. Let's say that I have just created this YouTube tutorial task. I created a video, and now I'm going to go ahead and check that it is finished. And as you can see here, guys, now I can no longer find my task right here, but let's say that I remembered I didn't finish a task and I want to bring it back. How do you do that, guys? Well, it's very easy. All you have to do, guys, is go right here to the upper right corner where there's three dots are, and you want to click on these three dots right here. This will open up this new drop-down menu where you have multiple options such as adding sections and so on. What you want to do is go ahead and click the option right here called Show Completed. Go ahead and show completed, guys, and now you can see that you can go ahead and see your completed tasks on the page. Here is my YouTube tutorial task. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck it. And now, guys, let's go ahead and find completed again. As you can see, the task is now back, and now I can finish the task again once I finish it and go ahead and check it again that it is finished. So yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.